Hi, I'm Laurent Frugier from Fuel to Electric. So few years ago we decided to convert to a 66 Mustang, and we got connection with shops, dealers, and it was quite complicated to sort all of the choices we had. What we decided is to become the middleman between someone that wants to convert his car and all the shops and dealers that exist in the US and Canada. So we created this platform here to help enthusiasts that want to do the conversion themselves or just want to send the car to a shop so they can convert it for them. So what we do is that when the project owner comes and asks us questions about the way you convert your car, or where can I find dealer, or where can I find shop to convert my car. So what we do is we really analyze all their expectation, requirements, constraints, and the budget as well, because it's a very important thing in EV conversion. EV conversion is quite expensive, and what happened is that we display the project when we think it's realistic. We display the project on our platform, and all the shops that are listed on the platform, shops and vendors, will submit a proposal. So basically we have 34, today we have 34 shops listed. So if you have a project, it's either you talk to all of them, send email, asking questions, receiving more questions from them, or you talk to us. We work as a middleman, and in the end we display your project, so it's easier for them. They have, all the shops have the listing, they receive a notification every time we submit a new project, and if they like your project, they will submit a proposal with all the technical details of what they think is good for your build and the price as well. So everybody's happy because the shop, they don't waste time anymore with tricky project, I would say, or projects that are too far away from their shops. So now they send those project owners to us, and we weed out all the projects that are not viable, that are not realistic, and we display them on the platform.
So have you ever run into any projects that are too difficult to try to build?
Yeah. Actually, no, it's not about the complexity of the project. It's more about the realism of the project. So some people have a budget of 15K and they want a car that runs for 300 miles between two charges. That is not possible today. It's not possible. So we explain them how it works, how the system works, the EV conversion, what's the process of EV conversion, and we give them a glimpse of how much it's going to be. Now, if they are ready to change their expectation, or if they have their requirements, constraints, and budget aligned, then we can display them on the platform. But all these unrealistic projects, we don't put them on the platform. What we want after the conversion has started is to keep on documenting those projects, because everybody is interested in the EV conversion process right now, and more people are interested in this process. And we have do-it-yourselfers that are really willing to understand more about it. What is the best setup? What are the compatibility problems they can have by mixing different components on the EV conversion. So project after project, we're going to grow this database of nice cars being converted by these shops or this one using this part or this part. So in the end, we'll have this website that is perfect for the EV conversion community. That's going to help everybody. If you already have a car that is displayed on the platform and you want to convert this, you'll have an example, the perfect example of an EV conversion. What are the parts that have been used for this conversion? Which shop has done it? So it's pretty exciting to build this database of how to convert, what is the process of EV conversion, and putting more and more knowledge back to the community.
Okay, so how does it work? Let's say I'm an enthusiast deal buyer. I go to your website, I sign up. Is there a fee to join process?
So for November, there is no fee. So you can go on the website, you click on My EV Conversion Project, and then you start. You can use the coupon SEMA for SEMA only for November, and you start. Then you have this questionnaire. There's a big survey. We call it the EV conversion examination, and it's like depending on the complexity of your expectation, basically your project, you can go to 89 questions. So basically, by answering yes or no, you'll land on a different page with different questions. It's going to help us understand what you want, if your project is mature enough. Have you thought about it enough? And then we'll have a back and forth follow-up questions. We're going to ask you more details about the history of the car, how you want to use it, what really are your expectations, and then we will evaluate how much it's going to be and what's the price range of your project. And if we think the project is realistic, we will display it online, and in return you will receive proposals by shops that really want to work on your project.
So how many shops are professional shops that you partnered up with so far?
So today, the platform, we launched the platform 3 months ago, but we've been working on it for a year and a half now. Today we have 34 shops and vendors listed. As a vendor, as a shop, you can also list parts you sell on our marketplace. So we have a list of 34 shops and vendors, and it's growing every day. We've seen many people here in SEMA, they want to get on board because they've made one conversion, but they want to get more. They want really to, and they spend a lot of time weeding out this project. They spend a lot of time answering to emails to people that are willing to do it, but they don't have the budget or they don't know where to start, and it's very time consuming for the shop. So these shops, they are getting more and more to us, and we hope that before the end of the year we could reach 50 shops, and maybe next year at least one shop per state. That would be awesome. Our website is fuel2electric.com, 2 with the 2, the number 2, and you can find us very easily. First, on the website you can enroll in the newsletter, so you stay in the loop. We send every updates about projects, every updates of new shops, but also new parts. So it's a work in progress all the time. There's also all the social medias, and we got lucky because Fuel2Electric is quite unique name. So on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, and on Instagram, you can type in Fuel2Electric. You'll find us.
Did you get TikTok yet?
Not yet. We're not good at videos. We leave it to you.
Okay. So basically, anybody who sees this video for the month of November of 2022, go to your website and sign up. SEMA is the promo code to enter it.
Yeah, they start with the SEMA promo code, and then they'll get redirected directly to this EV conversion examination, and we'll take time and talk to them and analyze all their answers, and from there we'll see if the project is realistic enough, and if it is, it's going to be displayed and documented all the way through the conversion on the website.
Perfect. Thank you.
Awesome.